Here's a little story. Jenny and Ruchi see each other in the market. Listen to them talking.
Hi Jenny, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? Fine.
Priya is also in the market. It is crowded. Ruchi and Jenny are blocking her way.
Please move aside. Sure. Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh! Priya steps on Ruchi's toes when she moves.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's all right.
Ruchi wants to make friends with Priya.
What's your name? My name is Priya. What is your name? My name is Ruchi. I am 8 years old. How old are you? I am also 8 years old. I am in standard 3. Me too.
You learnt 4 magic words today. Can you say what they are?
Please. Sorry. Thank you. You're welcome.
Good. Now take roles and enact this scene. Ahmad is leaving the class. Ahmad, stop. What should you say before you leave the room?
Sorry, ma'am. Please, may I leave the room?
Repeat after me. Please, may I leave the room?